Okay, guys, if you guys don't have one of these, you need to get you one. But these are it, man. Okay. Got it on hammer drill. What I'm going to do is I'm putting these braces in a concrete for the 2x4s I'm going to put on the outside here. As I'm going to put two and two, I'm putting two more. So we're going to put these in the ground. In the concrete, I mean. And let me see here. What's the best way to stick these guys? Okay, we'll put them. And I'll put them like this. Put that one like that. And we have our depth gauge also. Make sure that's all the way down. And I'm going to go down at least that much. So that's probably about 2 inches. There, we'll leave it like that. Work if I can plug it in. All right? Work if I can plug it in, guys. I'll tell you, whoever invented this, like, beat the crap out of them. I got it on hammer only. Hammer drill, that's drill. I'm getting bit up already by mosquitoes out here. Good. Now, get these guys. We don't even have to turn those down with our ratchet, guys. They're good. I'm gonna put our 2x4s along here, screw them into that. Done. So yeah, this is the way to go. Okay, guys, there we go. We put 4 more 2x4s on. See, now on the bottom there, we're going to drill 2 holes through that metal, and we'll screw in 2 screws into the 2x4s. So we have a plate here on both sides. We have those 2x4s. They're fastened down with those anchors, and then underneath these 4 here, we have another set of those anchors. What I do is I drill my holes, and then these are 3-inch screws I put in here. This is 6 by 7 1/4. It's 7 1/4 this way, 6 inches wide this way. So that's nice and strong. Now we'll just put our finished board on each side, and that's done. What I'm going to do next in here is I'm going to try to compact all this stuff into the back. That way all these boards and the 2x4s I can put over here. That way I can put my garage door up.